Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. After last week's video blog, I got a ton of emails asking if you can use those same best-selling items to sell on Amazon, and the answer is absolutely yes. And it's also a huge opportunity that many Amazon sellers miss out on. Now, for those who missed it, last week's video blog was about how to quickly find the best-selling items on eBay. Now, if you missed it, I'll put a link on the screen and below. The reality is, human beings, being human beings, purchase over 90% of the identical items on eBay and Amazon. And they also purchase these same identical items in all different countries. Now obviously, there's some things that are generic to one country, like a local football jersey, etc., for a local football team, but you don't try selling, paraphernalia for, say, a Canadian ice hockey team on Amazon UK. Like the old saying goes, don't try and sell a refrigerator to an Eskimo. But for most other things, you can sell the same items, or the same eBay best-selling items on Amazon and, vice versa. You can also sell these same items on your own website. That's if you've got your own website. Now, many people think that if you list these items on eBay as well as Amazon, you'll get less sales on eBay or Amazon, but that's not the case. It's not a matter of robbing Peter to pay Paul. The reality is, all three platforms have different audiences. Some people prefer to purchase on Amazon, others prefer to purchase on eBay, and others prefer to purchase from independent websites. By listing the same items on multiple platforms, you can double and triple your revenue from each individual item. We've built and sold eBay Amazon businesses in Australia, USA, Canada, UK and Ireland. And we've seen over and over that these countries purchase over 95% of the same items. Now, the reason that many Amazon sellers miss out on these opportunities is because Amazon research software is restricted to what information Amazon allows software developers to extract from the Amazon computers. We're licensed developers for both eBay and Amazon, so we get to see exactly which information we can pull from the eBay and Amazon servers. Now, without getting too techie and boring you to tears, both Amazon and eBay have what is called an API, which is short for Application Programming Interface. And basically though, this API, using the API, software developers can pull certain information from both the eBay and Amazon servers. Now, the big advantage of being on both eBay and Amazon platforms is you can get some product sales research information on eBay that you can't get on Amazon, and vice versa. If you're looking to find items to sell on Amazon, quickly researching the eBay best-selling products can be a very fast, effective strategy that Amazon sellers that are 100% fixated on Amazon, they simply miss out on them. So that's all for this week. Please scroll down, leave me a comment below, and while you're there, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Until next week, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.